Hi guys, in this video you're going to see me doing a little bit of riding in the motorcycle. I'm going to be talking about police officers and also going to be showing you some of this that is just gorgeous. Definitely let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post videos. I've been waiting all day to go home. Man, I gotta tell you something. I like my job very much. I really do. But it's one of those days that I just wanted to go home, spend time with my wife and children, right? And here's the thing. I wanted to make a quick video here, and I want to kind of give I guess a message to all police officers out there, because we're living in a time that is insane. Now, I don't know why. Well, I guess I know why. But before I get into that, check out my videos here. I do a lot of motor vlogs and things like that. This is actually my second channel. I do have, I guess, a primary channel. I don't know, primary, secondary, where I talk about, things are going on, current events. And I do that in a different format. I'm going to kind of like put the name of the channel here if you guys want to check it out. Usually I reserve my topics to that channel, but I'm riding home and I just felt that I should have done this. I felt that I should just, make this video and just share a couple things about what's going on. And again, I appreciate you guys watching and all that. First of all, after I'm done here, hopefully I'll make it home, I get some food, and I may take, we may go. We don't know if we're gonna go yet or not, but we're gonna check out this place that is pretty cool. It's right underneath a bridge, and there's a lot of like boats and things like that. I guess there's water and all that. I mean, it's a pretty cool place. If I happen to go there, I will record it as well, and I'm gonna introduce it here in the channel for you guys to check out that area, because like I said, it's pretty cool. Man, pretty windy right now, but anyways, there is so much stuff going on that is insane, really insane. And in my opinion, police, whoa, you guys saw that? Wait, before we get into that, you see that? Yeah, that kind of flew out. The guy will be pulling to the side. Man, imagine if I be behind this dude. That would be really bad for a motorcycle. But anyways, one of the things that you got to be in the lookout, right? But here's the thing. I want to make it fast. I appreciate all police officers out there that are doing such a fantastic job. I really do. And I know life is getting complicated. I know everything is getting pretty hard out there. People getting attacked. I see the news, and you guys know from watching my main channel my belief on that, but I see the news and I feel so bad to these police officers that are trying to have law and order, that are trying to make sure that we are okay, that are trying to make sure that our communities are safe. That's what they're trying to do. And this media has launched such a lie, such an attack against them. And as I see some of the issues going on right now, some of the protests and things like that, it's just so sad to see those police officers going through so much. And I'm going to tell you, from being in the military, and that's why I think a lot of times people think I'm a cop, because I was in the military and I was a military police officer. And when I got out of the military, that's not what I do. I'm not a cop. And I don't want to be a cop neither. I love what I do. But again, I kind of understand a lot of the things that they do, and I kind of see a lot of the stuff that they get to do, right? I see the other side, and I understand the other side. Many people don't. Many people really do not understand the other side and the sacrifices and everything that they do, right? And when I see that they are out there trying to protect us, to me, it's so encouraging and it's so amazing, because for what's going on right now, and I know a lot of people are just quitting, people are not coming up to work. I don't blame them. I really don't blame them. I feel that, a lot of guys are just going to leave. A lot of guys, New York had an increase in retirement. People are calling out in the hundreds. People are not showing up to work. But there's a few of them that are still coming to work. There's a few of them that are still trying to do the right thing. And there's a few of them that are still trying to be out there protecting our community, right? And I believe that, you know, your self-protection is your responsibility, but obviously there is crime that's happening in the community and they deal with it. You know, child abuse, child neglection, domestics, I mean, you name it, you know, you name it. The stuff that I saw as a military police officer was insane, and it wasn't even close to the stuff that, you know, deputies do. You know, we got a police officer here. So, again, it's pretty insane. Really, really insane what's going on. And I just want to say, you know what? Appreciate the support. And know that there's many people out there, you know, many like me, many like you guys watching. Some of you guys are watching, you know, are not. Some of you guys are just haters. But there's a lot of good out there that are praying for our police officers. And, you know, every single day they pray for them to be safe. And you know what? It's necessary. So if you're a prayer warrior out there, keep it in prayer. I will. And if you're a law enforcement officer, first responder, you know, anyone that is dealing with this nonsense, thank you. I really appreciate it. My family appreciates your sacrifice. And I know many people in the community really, really appreciate everything you do for our community. I know for a fact that, you know, some people be like, all they do is write tickets. I know for a fact that all you do is not write tickets. That's just a little portion of it that some people hate. Obviously, everybody have gotten a ticket, like me, right? But that's not all you do. You do a lot of great things. Let's see how I'll take this roundabout. Woo! I think I need some practice. I think the key is to hold that rear brake and that friction, son. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, again, appreciate it, and just know that we are praying for you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into, you know, family time with Milkshake and a beautiful place to visit, which, by the way, it is free. Here's the name right here. Obviously, if you want to launch your boat or something like that, this would be a cool place to come and do it. This bridge right here is the bridge that you guys see me riding when we go to Flagler Beach, going from Palm Coast to Flagler Beach. You can see the boat ramp back here. That's where you drop your boat, and then right here there's a bathroom and stuff like that. Is definitely weird looking. Look at this. You never know what you're gonna find around your local city. Little Manny's having a blast right here. I don't even know what this is. It's like a bridge that I don't even know where we're going. But is it? Is it the beach? Yeah. Okay. I guess Manny just told me where we at. Very, very cool though. Here, like a trail this way and a trail this way. Looks like it's like a bicycle trail or something. Yeah, let's walk back because we have no idea where we at. All right, come on. That way. This way, buddy. No, that way. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.